6. Are you ready to rumble? Sac passe, my people. What's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Today, well, this might not be the second video you'll see, but I am going back to the same place I was not too long ago, and that is an air show. And I'm very excited to go back again. And you guys are gonna see some good stuff for sure. I'm riding my bike there right now. It's not too far from my house. And I'm on a trip right here. Let me show y'all a little bit. It was so fun just seeing those jets and those planes and then talking to some people. And hopefully that wind isn't too annoying. Ooh. Yeah, today is almost just as exciting. The weather is good still, so everything's gonna be fun. I know you probably can hear it. The jet. Little birds chirping. Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. Yeah, hopefully I'm not missing the big show. It's the afternoon right now. Sun and fun is what the event's called. Sun and fun, you probably will see, already seen that on the title. So, sun and fun, air show. And I've been to it years ago with my family. And I remember that being fun. But since it's right next door, I have time to go to it. I'm taking advantage. Hopefully I can see it. Here it is, here's the parking area. Yeah, a little traffic on this road. Not too much traffic, but it's probably gonna build up later. And I know exactly where I need to park. Should I do this one? I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. Yep. Oh, yeah, they just went by. This is my little road. It's my destination. Took this last night. Here's the entrance. I'm gonna go park exactly where I parked yesterday. Not that I was trying to not pay, because yesterday I scanned my ticket for Saturday and Sunday show, but I just went right through without having to scan my card. I know. Oh well, I paid for it anyways. This is the route. This place, this airport is humongous. Space-wise, not that it's a popular airport, but space-wise it is huge. Almost walked the whole thing yesterday. I think I did. I'm gonna check out some stuff today. Oh, you can see that one. There it goes. Yeah, this one's, I have to show this one again today. So this one was a Haitian.
Hey,
good morning. Oh, good afternoon. Yeah, back again.
Nah, you're good.
Yep.
You're good.
Yeah,
good.
thing. Had to come back for sure because it was wonderful yesterday.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Good.
Yeah.
So you get some good footage yesterday?
I did. The fireworks show.
Oh, you
holy
stayed for the
cow.
night.
Yeah, I stayed for the night.
Cool.
That was amazing.
Yeah, I didn't stay last night. Alyssa did.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it was. That was probably one of the best fireworks show ever. Because I don't know if you've been to Epcot or Disney World and stuff.
Been a while,
have you been to the Epcot firework after? That is cool, but this is uncomparable too. So.
And what they're doing with drones now is.
Oh my God! Yeah, the drone that was.
So did you hear about or see the couple that got engaged last night?
Oh yes, with the kissing. Oh, that's. I wonder how much that was to do.
They probably did it for PR value. Or something,
true,
but
probably
they'll never
PR
forget
value.
that.
No, they will
forget
not.
that.
Like you gotta. I might have to consider them like that. You know, just
You got a
kidding. I
hard
already
thing
did
to
that.
measure up. Do you have
Exactly.
anybody you're about to ask?
Well, it's actually, I was kind of laughing. It's already happened.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So I was like, maybe maybe like a New Year's.
Then
Oh,
if-
it's a new
if
or
it already happened, then you're toast.
or like 20-year like
Yeah.
anniversary or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, it's good. Hello, I'm back again.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
All right.
Yeah, yesterday was fun, so I had to come back.
All right.
Yeah,
Good deal.
for sure.
Did you get some more video there?
Yeah, I got more video of this and more of other stuff.
Yep,
so,
yep, yep. Tell me your name again.
Li Bien.
Li Bien.
Yes, yeah. And of course, yesterday they were telling me this one, of course, went to Haiti once
Yeah.
and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And so I thought I might as well show the audience because
Yeah.
I'm Haitian myself. So.
Yep. And you talked
yeah.
to Gene Jordan, right?
Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
did.
Perfect.
Mhm.
Good deal.
So it's pretty
Goodbye,
cool.
Roger.
Tom?
I'm heading off.
All right. Nice working with you this
Safe.
week. Yep. Safe travels.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody's just heading out now. How does it work since today's the last day?
Yep.
Is it tomorrow everybody's cleaning up? And
No,
how does it work?
Yeah, so about 5 o'clock, everybody's going to be in a rush to tear down and close up and everything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they'll tow the plane sometime this afternoon,
Uh-huh.
park it out here, and then we'll pack the plane and it'll take off tonight.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Does everybody just kind of line up and take off all when their time comes, or how does that? Like, I'm kind of fascinated
try
to
to
how
give
that.
they try to give them slots to take off. in.
Uh-huh.
And so they actually use a couple or three of the runways over here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So it's
Pretty cool.
they'll let a lot of the small planes have already taken off. They'll
yep.
get out of here. The private planes.
Yep.
The bigger stuff will take off later.
Later.
Yeah.
Oh, here they come.
Yeah.
Holy. Holy. A lot of the smaller planes have left today, but this place was packed yesterday. Fly in, all of these planes flew in, camped here. Everybody's just enjoying their time. Oh yeah. This one's neat. There's still some here you can see, so you're not really missing out. Let's see here. Let's check this one out. This one's like a little old grandpa. It's got a little mouth, it's a little nose. Yellow one. Oh, here's these guys camping out on the right here. I'm gonna say hi to them. Here they are. This one's pretty neat. They got their car here. Yeah! Oh, here's an Amazon. Nope, that's not Amazon. There's other planes coming in too, so regular planes. I don't think I saw this one yesterday. I do like it. Yeah, this one's a multi-passenger. Okay, nice. Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
What you doing?
Oh, vlogging.
Vlogging?
Yeah. Yeah.
I do direct aircraft financing.
Oh, you
I'm
do?
the only one one of two in the country that do it.
Uh-huh. Oh, one of two.
Yeah.
Wow.
Special.
Oh, so you kind of just put in tags and stuff for
Yeah.
them to see? Oh, yeah, some
Yeah.
flyers. That's cool. Huh? Yeah, that's pretty neat. Is it going good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very busy company.
Okay,
It's fun.
that's cool.
Enjoy your time here.
Yeah, thank you.
See
Of
ya.
course. Ooh, this one's so colorful. Yeah, I know what she was trying to do. She was trying to get some advertisement. So, hashtag Sun and Fun 2025. That one's pretty neat. It's up for the show. It's up for the show. Now, guys, oh, let's check out this engine. This nice engine. I did not think I checked this out yesterday. Oh, yeah. Champions. Oh, sorry. T-shirts, a little shop. Everybody's doing a little shopping. Yes, this is my favorite thing. Those choppas right over there. El Chapo. El Chapo choppas. I took a lot of photos yesterday on those. Check this one out. kids are having fun.
Oh, that is crazy.
Can you hold this? Can you hold this?
Oh, sorry.
There's a line.
They're all looking at that plane over there, doing its little show. See if we can zoom in. Oh yeah. There you go. Look at it go. Okay, let's check out this chopper now. Oh. Yeah, if you go, I'm not probably gonna spend too much time here today, because I did yesterday, but just a little bit show right here. But he's taking pictures. 38.
38 nonstop?
Uh-huh. Can I have one of them video me with this?
Oh,
yeah, if I could have one. Let's see. Ooh. Hi, will one of you come video me real quick? I'm gonna do some pull-ups on there. Will you hold this for me?
I got you.
Yeah. Have you worked one of these?
Never, man.
Okay, so it's recording right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna take away this zoom. So this is like up and down,
Okay.
and then this.
Where do you want me to face it towards you?
Towards me, yep. And you can kind of go back and forth around or whatever. Let's see. I might be, a little bit sore today, so let's see.
I don't know, man. You look physically fit.
Yeah. Is the lighting better this way or this way? Oh, is this? No. Okay, we'll go whichever. You could just go around me.
Back or in the front?
Front, whichever the light is better. I think maybe this way. Okay. Okay, ready?
Ready. Nice.
5, 6, 9. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Three, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. One more, I gotta finish this. Yeah. 38. Ah, yeah. 39, 38, 39. Let's see. I can't do it. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you. It's something else? Oh, I think that might be it. Yeah. Feel that one. Thank you.
Did you hit your chin a couple times?
Oh yeah, I hit it every time. Well, on purpose, just so I make sure I got it.
Yeah.
So it's like,
you hit it on.
yeah. Thank you. Oh yeah. I had to get that, baby. Oh, I'm sore now. Holy cow. Heck yeah. Couldn't get 40. Next time. Next time. Okay. Yesterday, I don't think I got a very good video of it, but I did it, all right? I got 38. Yeah, 38 yesterday. Today, I got 39. Although, I shouldn't have been able to get that much a day because my muscle would have been tired. But that's how it works. Okay. I look freaking pumped right now. But it's like, what's he doing, working out? But we're gonna check out the food. I'm not gonna eat here. That's why I'm able to do that many pull-ups, because I don't eat this junk. Let's see. Yeah. Here's the food everybody think is amazing. Yep. Ooh. Food here. Food here.
No, not like heat
Yeah.
exhaustion, but like
Yum. You know, I said I would eat this though. This doesn't look too bad. Some good protein. Just the oil is probably made with isn't too good. But protein wise, they'll get you what you need to survive the day.
What?
Here's pizza. Pizza. My biceps hurt. They hurt.
It's all food stuff. Yeah, basically it's
Okay, let's see what else we can check out over here. I did not go to the right, so it's later. I'm gonna see what's all over there. Probably all the camping, I think. Now here's all the events. This is Top Gun right here, yo. Top Gun. This thing is so cool. He's doing some pull-ups. Some crying, people crying. There's a plane doing a show. Now, up there looks neat. Too bad we can't get all the way up to see what's in there. Too bad this stick isn't long enough. To be honest with you, it is a little warm today. Dang, look at that sleek one over there. I definitely gotta get something of that. Now, that's cool. This is neat.
So it begins. The T6 or an SNJ station burning longer.
Big boy.
It's choreographed an absolutely beautiful show.
Here he is. Are you ready to rumble?
High above. The bar is sort of hanging from its straps right now, pointing at the ground, slowly rolling it around.
Here's everybody.
Puts it right on the limit.
Oh,
Gets
that
down
smoke.
so low to the ground to get every bit of energy.
Oh, dang.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the 39F sets up for a big fight, the power source that started the 39F just 20 minutes ago. Concord battery, powerful, reliable battery, optimistic. Loving that inverter.
Another pretty airplane though too, all polished up there, and he's got the strobe lights going. He does night shows too with this airplane. Flies for the airlines when he's not doing this. This is what he loves to do.
This is the big boy. This is a big boy, not the big boy. Gotta show the big boy in a bit. big boy. This is what you call a big boy.
When we get to your center stage. Gentlemen, get bikes getting in the air as well. That's that is out in front of us. And he'll be back on stage as well. A little bit later. As we continue.
It's a real show up in here.
There's Jeff doing a burnout. Jeff, where'd you go? Folks to the right of us, yep, there's a big area to the right too, filled up the front. He's giving them a bit of a show as well. Jeff Shetterly. His great showmanship. Look at that. And there he is, he's all pumped up, getting up and popping up and down.
So now, look out from your right-hand side. Very shortly, we're going to be joined by Panchito. Panchito, of course, the B-25. You're going to get a little taste to show you what the Japanese would have seen on that fateful day back in 42. The two little Raiders arrived over Japan at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, April 18th, 1942. You would have heard these sounds. Two Curtiss Wright, 14-cylinder, 2,600 cubic inch radial engine. What the Japanese were hearing was the sound of freedom. You notice the bomb bay doors were open there, we climbed up. That was one of the signature bombing runs that Larry was showing off to us. The B-25, obviously a medium bomber, but they found out very quickly that throughout the war.
Not the Charlotte, but you just say it differently. There's one down here, right? Charlotte.
Oh yeah, there's that one.
We found that out this morning. Yeah.
Outside. Well, I've been waiting in line forever. I'm missing all the good show out there. Man. Hopefully we can see something. Can't see anything.
If I have a kid go out there, I'll probably lose my job.
Yeah.
4 kids right here coming down the stairs.
Oh, gee.
And their group isn't great, so they'll like.
In here?
I know.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's a really great dream, isn't
Hey, it's perfect. I'm excited. 3 or 2? Okay, cool. Here we go. Finally get to go up. Oh, it's steep.
Pilot, co-pilot, and
How about you?
pilot's license, and then you go get your Air Force wings. And then they send you to train for this.
You don't need instrument rating.
You get it when you get to pilot training.
Sort of tied up in here. Some seats right here.
I can imagine. I bet it's.
They've got a bunk beds right here as well. One here and then right there. Everybody's waiting in that dang line from down there. Oh, that took forever.
Are you from North Carolina too?
I'm from South Carolina. How about y'all?
Florida. Here.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Y'all pilots? You're not a pilot?
Yeah.
Wish. That'd be cool.
That's a cool camera. I've been seeing those.
Yeah, thank you. It is so cool.
Are you
Dang,
a
all
pilot
these
or
thing
you-
controls.
Yeah. How long have you been a pilot for?
I got my license in '97.
Oh,
Impressive. You fly this.
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, you flew everybody.
Okay, so that's pretty impressive.
Yeah, here. Yeah, so I fly for UPS.
Wow. Okay. That's amazing. Do you want to take a selfie together?
I definitely will.
Okay. Or you can.
No, I'll take one of you.
Okay. We're gonna say we can take a selfie, but if you want to do that, that's fine.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Wait a little bit here. He's got a little toy.
General Ken Wilcox and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, patriotism, and support. It's back to you, Rick.
Josh, thank you. One of the things about this, given the Air Force fleet and the teams it takes to put these
You can't take that off. You can't take off with that one.
Oh, God,
Here's this chopper.
moving on. This is your last narration today. We should give you a microphone for the last time.
Oh, that's really cool.
Hey. How you doing? So pretty neat. What can you tell me about this one?
This is a UH-60 Alpha Black Hawk. It was a former Army chopper, and it was demilitarized and acquired by the Florida State Guard, and it is used in search and rescue operations.
Okay.
Sorry, my voice is a little parched.
Yeah.
I've been talking all day.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Like, what does this do?
I
What does
bet.
that do?
Like, tell me what's this wire for?
Screw. It's a wire.
Exactly. It's all fascinating, though. You fly this one?
No, I'm just, I'm in the S1 section for the aviation response squadron.
Yeah.
My main job is just making sure the paperwork is done. Like, what's up, buddy? I wouldn't open that. That's just padding. It doesn't really open. That's just padding for the head.
That's just padding.
Yeah, I mean, are you a U.S. citizen and a Florida resident?
Yep, both.
If you do want to work on machinery such as this, if you join the Florida State Guard, you might.
You can? Oh.
Yeah, as long as you have the proper qualifications.
Oh yeah, I have all of that. For sure. Yeah, that's pretty cool now. I always loved like helicopters and stuff like that. And I did think about joining the military or something.
I like this.
Yeah, thank you. It's a good watch.
I like the gold watch.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me what this does?
That it's like right now I'm actually connecting it to my phone. Oh, yeah. It's the Osmo Pocket 3 vlogging camera. Is basically what it is.
Cool. And you use it to vlog, right? See, kids, this is it's a vlogging camera right here.
You wanna come see it? Come see it.
It's even cooler than the helicopter.
Yeah. Nah, you can't. I have a drone, which I think is cooler than the helicopter.
You kids
You
wanna
see
the
that?
drone?
Look, you can see yourself.
See the drone.
Yeah, you can see all the gear. You can even see outside and everything up there.
I like
Yeah,
it.
the show's pretty cool. That's cool though. Well, guys, I think I'm just gonna chill in here. It's pretty comfortable in here too.
You don't want to show the kids your cool drone?
Well, not the drone, but a photo. I guess I have some pictures.
I want to follow you.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna hang out here, guys. This is a pretty good spot right here. I like it. Oh, that plane over there is moving. They're moving a plane. Let me show you guys. Oh yeah, move plane, move. Take it away. Take it away. Yeah, don't be using that word.
They don't let you get by if you use that kind of language.
RJ. Oh, another show's up. I better go see what's that.
He can't talk like that.
But the teacher can, huh?
He has a billion teachers.
A billion teachers.
Yeah, he must be the world's smartest.
Go see the show.
All that knowledge.
Bum, bum, bum. Ooh.
Flying is a Harmony airback opera. The decathlon traces it to its back to an 80-year-old Alaska champ.
He's just a fun little guy, not too bad.
Athleticism, and trust me, a lot of rudder. Truly, there is no hiding mistakes.
Holy. Here's the big boys over there. Big boys. And the jet blues down there. That one's the one that just went.
Graphics were like shit.
Let's check out this little guy. Little wheels in the bottom for a little wheelie. fit in very well. Here he goes. There he goes.